Replacing transmission fluid is often recommended every 30,000 to 60,000 miles or more. Along with regular maintenance intervals, common signs your transmission needs service include improper shifting, transmission leaks, or burned or discolored transmission fluid. At Russ Darrow Mazda of Milwaukee, we will remove and clean the transmission pan to inspect for any metal, replace the filter and gasket, then drain and replace the transmission fluid, as well as inspect the transmission housing, seals, and cooler lines for leaks. Ensure a clean transmission with new fluid for proper lubrication of the bearings and seals to extend your transmission's life. At Russ Darrow Mazda of Milwaukee, amenities are available, including Wi-Fi, service specials, experts, and more. Relax in our comfortable waiting area and enjoy complimentary coffee and refreshments. We look forward to serving you.